Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SS Solutions. In this video I will tell you how you can fix the mic problem in your device Reno 4F OPPO. So in this device, if you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls or not working for the recordings or any other mic issue, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we move to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now you have to follow the steps and watch my video and you will learn how you can fix the mic problem in your device OPPO Reno 4F. Let's watch it.